And one thing we were curious about was what we could do with code generation. Could we help developers write code? And so we used the Microsoft supercomputer, our generative text models, and we fine-tuned it on thousands of open source GitHub repositories. And we'll roll the video and show you what happened.
Can do when applied to code generation. The model I'm using today was trained on code from thousands of open source GitHub repositories, using the same unsupervised techniques as our GPT models. Let's try it out. I'll start with a pretty basic Python task. I want to write a function to check whether or not a string is a palindrome. I'll start by writing the function signature and a quick comment string. And now I'll ask the model to generate the code that it thinks should come next. Great, the model got it right. But that was a pretty simple example. If I searched for is palindrome on Stack Overflow, I'm sure I'd find something similar. So let's step it up a bit. This time, I'll write a function that definitely wasn't in the training set. Let's return list indices for elements that are palindromes. And at least 7 characters. And let's see what code the model generates. Great, that looks right. And it even used the isPalindrome function from above. This time we can also rest assured that it didn't just copy some snippet from the training set. The model came up with a unique solution to a unique requirement. Let's step it up again. This time I'll write an order class composed of items. I pasted in some code defining the item class and the properties of my order class. Now let's write some methods for the order class. Let's start by writing a method to compute the total price. But let's add a twist. Let's apply a discount to items that are palindromes. Let's see what the model suggests. It helpfully writes a comment string for us. But that's not quite right. I only wanted the discount applied to palindromes, not to the whole order. Let's edit the comment to clarify what I wanted. Compute the total price and return it. Apply a discount to items whose names are palindromes. Let's try again. So far, so good. Great, that's much better. Actually, I wanted the default discount to be 20% off, not 80% off, but that's an easy enough fix. There we go. Let's round it out by printing a receipt for the order. Print the total price and the price of each item. Here we go. Perfect. That's just what we wanted. And it even used the compute total price method that the model and I wrote together. Beyond helping implement functions, we've also seen the model excel at other development tasks, like writing unit tests. All in all, this model can generate useful and context-aware code suggestions that would make any developer more productive. Tooling built on these kinds of models will allow you to spend less time on repetitive, time-consuming coding tasks and focus more on the creative aspects of writing software.